Hello everybody. Today we have a lot of fun and not fun things to do. One of those things is cleaning my freaking room. I really need to go through my closet and just sort through all my clothes, form piles of things I want to keep, things I want to donate, things I want to sell. I have to go out for lunch with my parents. I have a dinner reservation with two of my friends at 6:30, so I'm doing that as well. Want to go to the gym. Don't know if I'm gonna have time for it, but we'll see if I can make time for it. I also do need to search up rental cars because me and my family are going to British Columbia for Christmas. I've been looking into better hair care products, shopping for some new hair care products. I do have a 20% off friends and family discount on Sephora. I do know that I want the Way leave-in conditioner and the Verb Ghost oil, so I'm gonna try to order those online today. I do also have to edit a video, so we're gonna do all of that, but I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna start off with editing and just finishing the video, making a thumbnail, adding the music and whatnot, just the final touches. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and then if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. If you aren't new here, thank you for coming back. I moved to my bed to do work because I'm really bad about this, but I just feel more comfortable doing editing in my bed, and I've been editing for like half an hour, but I swear Final Cut Pro hates me. It always just messes up at some point and just doesn't work. But to be fair, I have been ripping off Apple because I haven't paid for Final Cut Pro. I just keep like renewing the trial. I'm almost done editing. I'm basically done. I just have to export it and then upload it to YouTube. And then I think after this I might go, well, I'm gonna eat lunch with my family. My sister's boyfriend's actually gonna come, and then my grandma's actually gonna come too, so we're all gonna go. And then I think when I get home, I'm probably gonna clean my room a little bit. Hello. So I just changed really quickly. I just threw on something really basic. My video is just exporting now, and then I have to upload it. I guess I'll show you guys my outfit. I have this really old corduroy brown jacket, white tank top, light wash jeans. I don't really want to record my grandma, but I will be back shortly after lunch. I forgot to film what I ate, so I just had dim sum though. Hopefully all of you guys know what dim sum is. I fell asleep in the car after because I had itis. I was so full. My video is done uploading, but I still do need to make my thumbnail, so I'm gonna do that quickly. I think I'm gonna clean my room next, and I'll have to get ready for dinner. I also do want to buy hair care products, but I might just do that a little later tonight, but we'll see. I wish they had the items in stock at the mall right by me, but they just don't. I don't really like buying stuff online if I don't have to. I'd much rather just go into store and buy it myself. I don't know if anyone else has been in this mood, but I don't know if it's because the weather changed, but I just have no motivation to do anything. I just feel so drained and tired all the time. Also just feel so tired that I don't want to clean my room. I started getting a lot of like cystic acne, which I don't ever usually get. I finally got my lazy ass up and I'm ready to clean my room. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is actually just go through all my drawers and sort out things I want to donate, things I want to sell, and then things I want to keep. We're gonna start off with my jeans and we're gonna see if there's anything I don't want. This is gonna be hard for me because I have a hoarding problem and I like to keep everything. Also, I realized that I probably won't have enough time to go to the gym. So these are all my jeans. I don't know how to use this tripod. This tripod sucks ass. I need to buy a new one. It just like doesn't move right. And it always breaks off like this. I have not worn skinny jeans in so long and I feel so weird. I put them on because I was like, I wonder if they still fit. I don't think I'm gonna keep them because I just never wear them. I feel so strange. I don't even remember the last time I wore these. The rips on the knees are disturbing. So I have another pair of skinny jeans. Obviously, I just kept all my skinny jeans for some reason. They're from Levi's. They're actually really cute. I would keep these ones, but they are a little bit big. They're just like light wash. I believe they're the wedgie fit too. Rips on the knees, as you guys can see. I'm a little lad. Why am I hoarding them? I feel like I'm just worried that they're gonna come back in style later and I'm gonna regret it. I think I'm gonna have to sell these or give them to a friend. So these jeans are super old. I have had these since first year university, which was probably like 6 years ago. But when I first came back from BAM, I was super overweight. I knew that I was not eating the best and I was kind of depressed when I was there in the winter. Like I ate so much mashed potatoes that it was disgusting because I don't get mashed potatoes on a regular and it was always available at the Bean, which is the staff calf. I ate so much of it, so I gained so much weight. I remember I just got home and I was so sad because these jeans that once were my favorite pair of jeans ever barely fit while I was there. I remember distinctly getting in the car and sitting down and I could not even sit down. I had to unbutton every single button on them just in order to sit like, not even comfortably, but just sit down and be able to breathe. breathe. But now they're loose, so I've lost like a little bit of weight. They're actually a really cute pair of jeans, but I just don't know how I feel about the distressing on them. It kind of makes me feel happy putting them on because obviously I've been working really hard at the gym. I try not to weigh myself very often, and I don't really like to do measurements because I don't like to focus on the numbers. I like to focus on how I feel. Like, I have spare room in here. So I actually love these jeans. They are from Uniqlo. They fit pretty well. They are a very thin type of jean material. A lot of my denim actually does not have rips or distressing in them anymore. Newer jeans actually don't have any distressing to them at all because I just found that if I'm gonna buy a nicer quality pair of jeans, I prefer them to not have rips in them just so that they last a little longer. I think I'm gonna keep these ones. Like, even though they are a cheap pair of jeans, I just feel like they fit really well on my body type. These are another pair of Levi's. I believe they are a wedgie fit. They are a straight leg, and I believe they are cropped because I'm 5'2" and these are a little bit short on me. I do actually really like these jeans more so for like millennial looking outfits, if that makes any sense to any of you. And I'm in that generation where I can kind of wear either or, and sometimes I do have to wear millennial clothes. Me and my friend Alex, we used to wear them all the time throughout university to the bars and whatnot. I love them, but I just don't know if they're it anymore. Keep them for now. I've eliminated a total of 3 pairs of pants, which is not a whole lot, but you know, 3 is better than none. I do have some like business pants in there, so I'm gonna check to see if those still fit. See, the thing is, like, I keep my business work clothes still because I don't do YouTube full time and my jobs could move to like an office, so I'll have to wear millennial clothing. If I'm someone's manager ever, wear whatever you fucking want. I don't care. Obviously don't be naked, but like also I don't care if you wear crop top. I thrifted these like green corduroy, I guess, type pants, khaki pants. I thrifted these probably like 4 years ago. They're loose in the waist. I haven't worn these in like probably 2 years, but I just don't think that I will wear them anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of them, sadly. These are definitely millennial pants, so I'm gonna get rid of them. So I've gotten rid of 5 pairs of pants now. That's good. Put all my jeans back in here. All the ones that I'm keeping, I've just put back in here. And so this is my most chaotic drawer. Baby tees, tank top, anything that's short sleeve essentially. Some of this shit is so old though, so I'm gonna be going through here and showing you guys. Do you guys wanna see something that's like so cringe that I still own? For some reason, I've kept some really old Brandy Melville stuff. I bought it for the hype. I bought this Brandy Melville stuff so long ago, and it's the stuff that everyone bought when Brandy Melville first came out. For example, this is so cringe, but we all know this shirt. Why do I still have that? Like, why do I still have that? Shirts like these, I just feel like they're such good sleeping shirts, so it's like, why wouldn't I keep it? So now we are gonna go through all my tank tops and stuff. I have a lot. I have way too many tank tops. I have this neon one. We're gonna be getting rid of her. This tube top, I don't really like it. It reminds me of my ex-boyfriend. I'm not gonna keep it. Tank top from Brandy Melville. This is probably from like 2013. Probably keep it. I feel like this is a cute top that you can wear with just like black jeans, so I'm gonna keep it. Red top, donate this. A yellow top. I have a lot of Garage stuff. I've been shopping at Garage since I was like a little girl, and I still shop there because I love them. I'm gonna get rid of it. Another Brandy Melville top. I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. And I actually really like this, and it goes along with cream pants really well, so I'm gonna keep it. Black halter top from Brandy Melville. I will keep it. A 2-piece set. It has a matching skirt with the buttons too, and it's really cute, but I think I'm gonna donate it now. The staple go-to going out top in university, also from Brandy Melville. Fuck, I own a lot of Brandy Melville. I might sell it. Black bodysuit from Garage. I'm gonna keep white tank top with this kind of graffiti graphic on the front. It's pretty recent. I'm gonna keep it. Bralette top. I'm gonna keep this. I like it. I have a knit top here. Brandy Melville, once again. I will be keeping it. Another bodysuit. I'm probably gonna get rid of it. Knit top from Garage. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Pink striped tube top from Brandy Melville. I do like wearing this in the summer. I will be, you know what? Maybe I should retire this. I think it's time to retire the tube top. This is sad. I don't really want to get rid of it. The black bodysuit I have a pink version of it. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Just a basic white tank. I bought this like 2 weeks ago, so I'm keeping it. Tank with a cutout. I like this a lot, so I'm gonna keep that. Tie-dye, one shoulder type thing. I don't think these are really in style anymore, and so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Purple tank top from Brandy Melville. Don't really wear it. I'm gonna get rid of it, to be honest. I don't even like the color. Halter top, really like the style of it, so I'm gonna keep that. My iconic striped purple top from Brandy Melville, keeping it. I really like it. Top from Shein actually. It's really, really good for Shein. I'm keeping it. I do really like it. I love layering stuff over top of it. I'm keeping this. I really like it. I like the color on me. Seamless high neck tank from Garage, just white ribbed. I'm keeping it. It's a shirt from Dolls Kill and I really, really like it. So I'm gonna be keeping it, and it's just this white and green color. Bodysuit from Garage. It's pink. It crosses over. I'm gonna get rid of this because it's really, really old and not just something I wouldn't really wear anymore. Another seamless tank from Garage, just an orange color. So I'm not gonna get rid of it just yet. Green sports bra looking thing from Aritzia. I'm keeping this. I actually love this color on me. I love green on me. Another knit top. I'm gonna keep it, I think. Iconic halter top, baby pink from Brandy Melville. Barely worn, in excellent condition. I'm gonna be keeping her. She looks good with any pastel outfit. I got this red top maybe 2 years ago. I don't know what I was thinking. I look like a brick when I wear this, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I think this is really cute for fall, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna try to style it actually soon. I keep forgetting that I even have it. OG Brandy Melville tank top with some like floral print on it. This one actually broke and I had to sew it back on. I'll keep it, I guess. Okay, guys, I need help. I literally say I'm gonna keep everything other than like 1 or 2 things here and there. Nude top, turtleneck. Can't go wrong with that. It's really old from Forever 21. It was probably like $10. Basic gray tank top. Gonna keep that. I just feel like I own so many basic tank tops that I feel obligated to keep it. Tube top, and you tie it in the back so it's like really strappy. This literally broke while I was wearing it one day, but my friends did get it for me for my birthday, but I think I'm gonna have to throw this out because it's literally breaking and ripping apart. Off the shoulder top that I've had for a long time. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's just from Forever 21. It is really, really cute though. I'm not gonna keep this. Plain black tank top. I don't know, do I really need another black tank top? I feel like that's just something you can wear under stuff, you know? This is a top I actually wore a lot during university when I'd go out because I thought it looked freaking hot. I wore it with those jeans that didn't really fit me anymore. I feel like this is very like 2015 vibes. So I'm gonna get rid of it. It's from Fashion Nova, but it's actually really cute. I thrifted this tank top, this knitted tank top. I'm gonna keep it. I think it's really cute. I've actually never even worn this, but I don't like it. That's gonna go into the donation pile. Bodysuit, really old. I just don't like this material really, I don't think. See you later. Same with this, but I used to wear this all the time. It did not look good on me. It made my boobs look saggy, so it's gonna be a no for me. Red bodysuit, I believe. I'm gonna keep it. And then I have some weird attachment with this shirt, but I'm getting rid of it because it gives me bad memories. I had some weird attachment with this shirt too. I used to wear it all the time for Wine Wednesdays, and I thought it was so cute and like so fashionable, but it's really not. It's really not. What was I wearing back then? Who let me wear this stuff? Yellow tank top. I think I'm gonna get rid of it though because I don't really wear it. High neck tank top, just a brown color, keeping that. Top that I thrifted a while ago and I think it's really, really cute. It has little buttons in the front, so I'm keeping that. Old top from Garage. I don't think I would really wear this anymore to be honest, so I'm gonna get rid of it. It's a cowl neck top that kind of sits like this and then on the back it crosses over. I'm actually gonna keep this. The only reason why I haven't even worn it is because we can't go out yet still really. Baby tank that just has white outlines. I think this is cool. Will look good in fall, so I'm gonna keep that. Striped t-shirt from Brandy Melville. Makes a great sleeping shirt. I will be keeping her. But because I am keeping her, I will no longer be keeping her. This is like basically the same top, just from American Eagle, but I just don't need 2 of them. I got this shirt off Shein. I thought it was really cute. I ended up actually not liking it at all. I think it's really tacky and just like cheap looking. Nope. A special attachment to this shirt. The first present I believe Aiden ever got me, I think it was our first Christmas together when we were like 16, got me this shirt, this little tank top from Tallulah, an Aritzia house brand, so I keep it just as a memory. Zara t-shirt that's just like funky. I don't really care for it really, to be honest. Honey t-shirt, Brandy Melville. I think I'm gonna have to get rid of this. Ezra and I both have this shirt and we used to awkwardly show up at Starbucks wearing the same shirt all the time to study. Plain white cropped t-shirt, Brandy Melville, little blue moment. This is actually really cute with like a little skirt, so I'm keeping it. Another green top from Brandy Melville, basic, like the color. Astro World t-shirt. Aiden got me this for Christmas one year, even though we weren't together. Keeping that. Massive t-shirt that people used to wear all the time. I think I'm just gonna donate that because I don't really wear it anymore. Similar to the green one that I own from Brandy Melville, but I'm gonna keep it because I like the purple. That is that drawer. That was actually my hardest drawer to clear out. So I'm gonna quickly put everything back in. As you guys can see, she's empty. Wow, I actually have room. This is actually crazy because I've actually never had room in this drawer, ever. I can actually close it. That's wild. Now I have this drawer to tackle next. A lot of this is just old clothing that I'm probably gonna get rid of. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. I'm gonna do the rest of my room tomorrow just because I have to go out for dinner. I'm really happy that I didn't just take a nap because I was very tempted to just take a fat nap and not do anything today, but I persevered and I did it. But I'm gonna quickly actually just do my makeup. I will be back when I'm done my makeup and also show you guys my outfit. I somehow left this cup in my clothing bin, but I have no recollection of when or how I even left that in there. I finished getting ready, as you guys can see. I've left my hair natural for the most part just because I just don't have time to do it. White tank top I was wearing before, but now I've put on this plaid skirt. You guys have probably seen it before. I am putting on this blue blazer, so it's just like a cute blue outfit. And then I'm just gonna wear my loafers. I think it's a really cute look. I just put some hair oil in because my hair looked very like frizzy and dry. I think the restaurant we're going to is like an Asian fusion restaurant, and I'm really excited actually. Tomorrow I'm gonna look at buying the hair stuff. I'm getting my nails done, so I booked an appointment for the nail salon with my friend, clearing out the rest of my clothes I need to donate or sell, clean my room in general, like just get rid of all the junk. Probably most likely gonna go to the gym. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing tomorrow.